This 2022 Highland Ridge Open Range Roamer 264 RLS is a fifth-wheel RV. It is located in Nacogdoches, Texas, 75964 and is offered for sale by Genuine RV Store. This new Highland Ridge is 31 feet 11 inches in length and features 3 slideouts, a boardwalk interior, sleeps 4, oven, microwave, spare tire kit, smoke detector, external shower, air conditioning, water heater, slideout, LP detector, self-contained, and 81 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this fifth wheel features front bedroom, outdoor kitchen, rear living area. The unloaded weight of this 2022 Highland Ridge Open Range Roamer 264 RLS is 9,650 pounds. This 2022 Highland Ridge Open Range Roamer 264 RLS. For more information and pricing on this unit, and to see all units available for sale by Genuine RV Store, visit RVUSA.com.